Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing features on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on General Management. Then choose Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see, some smart typing features are over here. If you wish to enable or disable one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one or click on it and tap on the switcher over here. You can also go back and tap on more typing options, then manage all of them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!